another video of Algo Stock Market Insights. So today we are going to predict the stock price of Pidilite using some machine learning algorithm for November and December 2021. So this is our disclaimer. So these are the contents we are going to discuss today. First we will check the fundamentals of the company, and then we will see like what our algorithm is predicting for Pidilite for next few weeks or few months. And then we do manual analysis of Pidilite using some charts, indicator and OA and FA and DA data. So this is an introduction to Pidilite. So as you know, like Pidilite is a very famous in our adhesive and other sealments industry, and it's famous with their brands like Fevicol, Fevikwik, and MCL and etc. And it is a very large cap company with more than 1 lakh crore market cap, and its current price is around 2,200 440, and its all-time high was around 2,532, and its PE is around 92, which is a little bit high, but since Pidilite is like a monopoly in this industry, it is fine, and its peers also have almost a comparable PE, and it have a very good dividend lead, and Pidilite used to pay very good dividends over the years. And these are the its quarterly results. So we can see quarterly sales is keep on improving, and it's in a very steady state, and its operating profit also is very good and improving over quarters, and profit before tax and after tax is a very good one. So yearly sales also we can see like it's going in a very steady state manner, and it's keep on improving over the years, and profit before tax and profit after tax also keep on improving, and it's an earnings per share also is keep on improving over the years, and Pidilite give a very good dividend over the years. So by from these data we can observe like Pidilite is a very good company for short term and long term investments. So this is data we have taken into the algorithm. We taken data from 2015 Jan 1st onwards, and we take data till 2021 November 17th. So we can see like from the past 5 to 7 years, Pidilite is in a very steady state growing. So it is a very good company for short-term and long-term investments. So this is our what our algorithm is predicted. So what is there in blue is like what data we have given into the algorithm, and what is there in green is what algorithm is predicted, and what is there in orange is like what is actual value of Pidilite for the past these few months. So we can see like Pidilite actual price and what algorithm predicted is almost matching, and what is there in or red is what algorithm predicted for next few weeks or months. So we can see like this. So we can enter around 2400, and we can set a target as 2800 or 3000, or as a safer side we can enter above this resistance, which is around 2500, and we can it is always safe to book as a first target, or a partial booking we can done around 2800, and next target we can set around 2950 to 3000. So this is a daily candlestick chart we have taken from chart link. So we can observe like Pidilite is either moving around along with its 10 moving average, or getting a support in 50 moving average. And we can observe like whenever Pidilite price is closing above its 10 moving average, then it is moving very aggressively and getting a support and moving along with 10 moving average and getting support at 50 moving average. So past month we see like Pidilite got its all-time so high as 2530, and then it got corrected to 2250. Then it is correction is complete, and it's start moving. So we can either enter around this price like 2400, or as a safer side we can enter above this 2500 resistance point, and we can set a first target as 2800, and second target as 2950 to 3000. So this is a weekly candlestick chart. So we can see like Pidilite is moving along it's with the 10 moving weekly average. So it is getting support at this 10 moving average, and here we can see like after the correction Pidilite is across its last 2 weeks high, and currently it is moving trying to move along with this 10 moving average. So we can enter either at traders can enter around 2400, or a safer side we can enter above this candle which is 2500, and set a target as 2800 as first, and 2950 to 3000 as second target. So this is OIA data we have taken from OPSA for NSE. So 18th close, so we can see like there was a lot of call option sell was there, and Nifty was doing some correction, and it down below 18,000 and 17,800 it was close almost. But this high sell was due to maybe due to like a it's a option closing day, which is 18th November was an option closing day. That might be the reason for this high volume sell happen. But in 25th November close, so we can see like things are almost flat. Call option volume and put option volume sell was almost the same, but there was some resistance around 18,000 and 18,500. So next week, November 3rd week and November last week, we are expecting some consolidation in Nifty around 18,000. And if it is closing 18,000, then we can expect some better rally. And this is OIA data for Pidilite. So we can see like there are some higher resistance around 2500, and support around 2350 2400. So it is safer to enter above this resistance 2500, and then we can set a target as 2800 or 3000. And this is FaA and DA data we have taken from OPSA. So in October month there was huge sell was happened, and after that in November we can see like there are FA and DA started buying, but in 18th November Thursday there was a high volume sell was happened, but this might be due to like option closing on that particular Thursday. And on this is a monthly chart we have taken from OPSA. So we can see like October there was a huge sell, but November it is like almost neutral till now. It is like almost buy and sell is almost same. So next week we are expecting some buy, and Nifty might move up. We are expecting, or it might be like a consolidation around 18,000. So hope you have enjoyed this video. So please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have any recommendation to analyze any stocks, please put in comments. Thank you. Have a great day. Take care. Bye bye.